Good morning, students. Today we will have to discuss another point of the principles of inheritance and variation. We have started to study the other than Mendelian principles. Other than Mendelian, because Mendel, according to Mendel, they have proposed law of dominance, law of paired factor, law of purity, and law of independent assortment. And according to that particular principle, the F1 product of the F2 product of monohybrid cross have 1:2:1 ratio of genotype and 3:1 ratio of the phenotype. But in case of the incomplete dominance, we have observed that the phenotypic ratio is equal to that of the genotypic ratio. Because in the case of the Mendelian ratio, the dominance is complete. And we have discussed about the incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. With the help of three different examples. Number one, that is 4 o'clock prompt. That is called Mirabilis Jalapa. That is dog flower. And in case of animal, that is Aldolician fall. In this case, we have observed that when a red flower, the plant, cross with the white flowered plant, where the red is the dominant and white is the recessive, then their product is not red but pink. Because this particular recessive character is not completely suppressed by the dominant character. So it is called incomplete dominance. And it is the F1 product, and when we crossed it, when we self this F1 into F1, then what happens? Their ratio is 1:2:1, and this is the phenotypic as well as genotypic ratio. The same observation will be in case of the dog flower and in the Aldolician fall. It is very much interesting example that it has been observed that Aldolician fall have two pure line, one that is dominant and another that is recessive, and both are not so costly. But it has been observed when their product is, it is not pure blue, it is not pure white, but bluish white. When their product is blue, light blue, then it become very much costly. And so farmers want to cultivate this particular Aldolician fall. And when they cultivate the blue colored fowl, having male and female, then you observe that their offspring are black, blue, and white also. How? It is blue, it is blue, it is hybrid, and when it cross, then it is black, this is the blue, this is the blue, and this one is white. And here 1:2 2:1:2, because all blue are not pure but heterozygous. This is the case of the incomplete dominance. Today we will have to discuss about the codominance. 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 What do you mean by this codominance? We can understand this codominance with the help of an example. The coat color of bull is white or black. Suppose it is black, and their genotype is homozygous BB. The coat color of cow is white, and their genotype is this one. When it crossed, then what happens? Their product is, if it is incomplete dominance, then it should be a grey color. It should be light black color, because black is dominant and white is the recessive, and white is not completely suppressed by the black, but which is takes place in the incomplete dominance. But it has been observed that the black colored cattle have white colored patch, because this particular is responsible for the protein which is responsible for the formation of the black color, and this is responsible for the formation of the protein which is responsible for the formation of the white color. So both are functional, and because of that this type of happening. And this is one of the example of the codominance. The another example of the codominance in case of human blood. You know that blood group A, B, O. Blood group ABO. Now what happens? Why this blood group ABO? What is cause of the blood group ABO? It has been observed that there are a paired gene. There is one allele for the blood group A, and that is homozygous. There is also a heterozygous blood group, heterozygous allele, and they are also responsible for the A blood group. It is heterozygous and blood group A. In case of homozygous B, its blood group is B. In case of heterozygous B, its blood group is B. And it has been observed that homozygous IO is the blood group O. Here we see that O is suppressed by the A, it is complete dominance. O is suppressed by B, it is complete dominance. But whenever IA or IO cross with the IB or IB, whenever their product is IAIB heterozygous. then it has been observed that their phenotype, their blood group is AB, neither A nor B. Because A is not competent to suppress the B and B is not competent to suppress the A. The same thing will be take place in the coat color. So this is also the example of the codominance. Okay. Now we will discuss about the multiple alleles. It is also an example of the which will not follow the principles of Mendelian principles of the inheritance. It is also called, these all examples are called after Mendel, and it has been observed, these experiments or these observations are after Mendel. So it is also called after Mendel. Now we will have to discuss about the multiple alleles. Multiple allelism or multiple alleles. When more than one gene, more than two alleles, more than two alleles for one gene or phenotype. Phenotype is the blood group. Just we know that in human being, that is blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. And there are only IA, IB and IO are responsible for these blood groups. But several combinations are formed, that is IA, homozygous and blood group A, IA, IO, heterozygous blood group A, IB, homozygous blood group B, IB, IO, heterozygous blood group B, IA, IB, it is the heterozygous and it is blood group AB, and IO, it is homozygous blood group O. Here we will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 genes. More than 2 alleles. Here are 6 alleles are formed for the blood grouping. For the blood grouping. And these blood groups are 4. That is blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. These 4 phenotypes, these 4 blood groups are with the help of the 6 genes or the 6 alleles. So it is the case of the multiple alleles. More than 2 alleles for one gene. Here more than 5, or that is the 6 genes for the 4 phenotypes. Now, what will be the product of these blood groups? Suppose homozygous blood group A holder male having wife of homozygous blood group B. Then their all product are AB. If the blood group A but heterozygous and their products, they are married with the homozygous B blood group, then how many types of blood group it will be formed? That is the blood group AB and B. How it is possible? Suppose we will have to check it with the help of checkerboard. I, A, I, O, I, B, I, B. And their product is AB, their product is B, their product is AB, and their product is B, 1:1 ratio. Now, if this heterozygous A blood group holder married with the heterozygous B blood group holder, then how many types of blood group holder offspring will be there? Now, blood group A, IA, IO, IB, IO. Now you will have to see that how many types of blood group will be formed by this type of the couple. One, that is blood group AB, this is the blood group B, this one is the blood group A, and this is blood group O. All the four types of the blood group can be achieved from this type of couple. So in this way, we will see that the several types of the blood group can be achieved, can be observed by the crossing of the different type of genes. Now, in next lecture, we will discuss about the other after Mendel's.